friends, been a while. Um, we got a melon. Things have changed. I've gone to Northridge Fix. I have studied with Alex. I've studied with iPad Rehab. Oh, to be fair, I did kind of already go with iPad Rehab, but we've learned new skills. Anyways, I got a motherboard sent from another shop. It has a short on it. They just sent me the motherboard, so we're gonna go ahead and just put it under the motherboard. And if we kind of look, we kind of they already marked it for us. It's kind of burnt. I don't know if you can see it. It's burnt. This is a current sense resistor, so we're gonna see this, but um, okay, yeah, we shouldn't be getting that. But if we go ahead and put this to ground, this is shorted to ground. Resistors don't short to ground, but this one does apparently. What does that mean? Does that mean we just magically remove a resistor? No. Now, they already did all the work for me. They located this right over here. And from what I was told, their equipment was not good enough to take this off. All right, that took way longer than it should have. Okay, did we clear the short? Okay, I just got some new flux. Oh yes, nice and smoothly. This is where we were at. Now, normally, we would check this before, but I actually know this person. So, we're gonna see how well they did. Did they get the right one? Oh yeah! Short is gone. Same way. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna hold on to it right here on the side. Keep this up. Okay. So really quick, this is all one pad. This is all one pad. We can actually leave that the way it is, but it's YouTube. You gotta make it look pretty, or someone's gonna get angry. And Why are people calling me right now? It's an hour past close. Okay, we are back. People are calling about stuff they just dropped in. It's crazy, bro. Just, just dropped it off. That's okay. I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. Okay, jokes aside, let's actually clean this up a little bit. All right, so I don't have anything but the motherboard, but we're gonna make sure that it's fixed. We have this in diode mode. We're gonna put our red ground here. So now this right over here is where we were reading the short. And if we look right here, we're getting 0.39. That looks pretty normal to me. So we're gonna go ahead and call it up. We'll clean up and send this on back to where it belongs. And if there's any issues, I guess we'll make another video about it because it's probably gonna end up back here, and we'll go from there.